In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cancel the Amazon Kindle Unlimited subscription. However, you can also use this to cancel the Kindle Unlimited free trial. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up Amazon, and you just want to sign into your account. Now I'll be doing this on the Amazon website, however this can also be done on the Amazon app. So what you want to do is go to the top right corner and look for your name, and when you hover over it, it brings open this section with all of these different options and settings. What we have to do is go to where it says your account, or we can go down and look for this option which says your Kindle Unlimited. So we can click on that, and from there, here's where we can find our membership plan. Now in order to cancel it, we can go to the bottom left corner and we can click cancel Kindle Unlimited membership, which is right here. And it asks us if we're sure we want to end our membership. It says that we still have access until the end of our free trial, but after that, everything will be removed from our account. So if you're sure you want to cancel your membership or free trial, you can go ahead and click cancel membership. And as you can see, it now says, thank you, your membership has been cancelled. So that's how you can cancel an Amazon Kindle Unlimited subscription. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.